Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering mathematics for GATE. First, let's dive into understanding the syllabus. It's crucial to know exactly what topics are covered, as this forms the foundation of your preparation. Pay close attention to areas like linear algebra, calculus, and differential equations, which often carry significant weight. Engineering mathematics usually contributes around 15% of the total marks, making it a vital section for your overall score. A clear understanding here saves you valuable time later. Next, prioritize conceptual clarity. Simply memorizing formulas won't suffice. You need to grasp the underlying principles. Once you understand a concept, immediately move to practice. Solving problems solidifies your knowledge and helps identify weak areas. Try to tackle a good number of questions, perhaps 50 to 100 for each major topic, to ensure comprehensive coverage. Consistent practice is key to improving your problem-solving speed and accuracy for the exam. Now, let's talk about previous year papers and mock tests. These are invaluable resources for your preparation. Solving past GATE papers helps you understand the question patterns, difficulty levels, and important topics. Additionally, taking full-length mock tests under timed conditions is essential. This simulates the actual exam environment, helping you manage time effectively and reduce exam day anxiety. Always analyze your mock test results thoroughly to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Finally, effective revision is paramount for success. Develop your own concise formula sheets and short notes for each topic. These will be incredibly useful for quick reviews, especially in the final weeks before the exam. Dedicate specific time slots for systematic revision, ensuring you revisit all concepts regularly. Also, make it a point to review the mistakes you made in practice problems and mock tests. Learning from these errors is a powerful way to improve your score.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.